So let's do 1/2 plus 3/4. Now notice they have unlike denominators. You could find a common denominator but using prime factorization or another method, but we're going to do this method. It looks a little funky here with the A, B, C, D stuff. So in this case, 1 is A, and 2 is B, and 3 is C, and 4 is D, just for the ease of this first example. So it's going to be A times D, which is going to be 1 times 4 over B times D, which is going to be 2 times 4, plus the second fraction, 3/4, now becomes BC over BD. So that will be 2 times 3 over 2 times 4. Now we're going to work this out. 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Then we have a common denominator or a like denominator, 8. So we're just going to add the two numerators, 4 plus 6, that would be 10 over 8. Now here's the trick. If you use this method, you have to be very careful and make sure you reduce to like terms or reduce to lowest terms. So both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. So we do that. We divide the numerator by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 5/4 as our answer. And remember, this is an improper fraction, 5 over 4. The numerator is greater than the denominator. If your teacher wants the answer in terms of mixed numbers, this would be 1 and 1/4. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 7. So in this case, A is 1, B is 3, C is 2, D is 7. So we do A times D, which is going to be 1 times 7, over B times D, which is 3 times 7. And then we're going to add the second fraction, which is now going to become B times C, which is going to be 3 times 2, over B times D, which is, again, 3 times 7. So now we have 1 times 7, which is 7, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, all over the common denominator of 3 times 7, which is 21. So we now just add the numerators. 7 plus 6, that's 13 over 21. It is in lowest terms, so that will be our final answer there.